enjoyed the luxuries of this $50,000 island date. Like hitting golf balls that are also fish food right into the ocean.
Now we're getting couples massages on the beach.
Riz and Hayes were playing some beach volleyball, and Josh and his wife were having a picnic on the beach. For 50 grand, we all get these luxurious bungalows. As the sun was setting on this $50,000 date, Nolan was the only one at dinner without a date. Until Tom the Turkey showed up.
Nolan, we found you a partner!
After dark, we had a beach campfire where I had a surprise for everyone.
Cue the fireworks show! That's it for the $50,000 date. I'll see you guys at the next one.